Okay, it is the blizzard of 2011.
See the side of the car, kind of.
Here's my lovely wife Jenny commenting on my 2001 Jetta station wagon, which is that lump right there next to the pickup truck. Let's see. Oh crap, snow up to my knees.
Okay.
But there's the station wagon. You can see the.
First, I will climb over.
You can see the mirror there. Jenny's gonna climb through up to her knees in snow there. That black speck you can see is my mirror. That's my station wagon in the snow. So she's digging out the station wagon. Find the car, baby. There's the car. Nice. Found the car. Without her doing that, you can tell our car is from the side. You can't see it from here, but you can see the antenna sticking out the snow. What's that? Wild looking from inside. So the snow is taller than my wife. How tall are you, Jen? 5 foot. 5'2". The snow is taller when it's burying my car. So that's how it is in the blizzard in the northwest suburbs of Chicago, 2011. February 2nd, Groundhog Day. Who knows how many more days of winter. Bye.